We come across this problem in the common public, subfertility or infertility. This is becoming a very popular disease in the public. What could be the probable reason if you think? The most probable reason what we encounter the common population is men is also contributing for this infertility. The female partners are having the major challenges and contribution for this subfertility. But over the last few decades, to the last few years, men is contributing equally the reason for infertility compared to women. What could be the most common challenges among the men for this infertility is number one, there is this abnormal semen picture with there may be a abnormality in the sperm count, motility, morphology, semen volume. The semen may be infectious. So these are all the very common reasons we see in the semen count. Secondly, we come across lot of sexual dysfunctions among the men. So this is both the reasons are not as an independent factor. The infertility in men is commonly because of these two reasons, but what supersedes these two reasons? The overall men health. The men's health is totally disrupted in this modern world. They are having extended working hours. They are having a lot of commitments in the work. They are traveling for a long distance during the work. They are having unhealthy eating habits, living style. They are actually having a lot of negative habits. They are delaying the marriage. They are delaying the childbearing age. So many contributing factors is giving this two challenges. So what are they going through at one point of time? They don't give this importance. There may be some sort of reasons, could have been a major reasons or something which could be they couldn't avoid it. Suddenly there is a situation comes, they want to quickly jump into pregnancy. They want to quickly get into treatments and succeed by pregnancy. They don't understand. See, when the nature is preventing you from getting pregnancy naturally, when we go through some artificial methodology by taking some medications or treatments to get this pregnancy, the outcome of pregnancy is becoming a challenge. We are overlooking the nature. So this is becoming a serious problem. Many couples don't realize this. This is a scientific world. This is a modern world. There is a lot of research is been happening. There is a lot of children is being getting delivered through treatments like IUI, IVF, ICSI, and laparoscopy. I don't deny that. But can we keep all this treatment as a secondary option? Can we try the pregnancy by naturally as a primary reason for a few months by correcting the underlying causes? In case if it is not getting settled down, can I take a choice for a pregnancy by a methodology which can be even from the lighter way of getting through IUI, if not through IVF, and lastly by ICSI or a laparoscopy? How many couples are having this awareness? How many couples are having this patience? And how many couples are having this right methodology of treatment guidelines, treatment advices? ALM Ayush is something going through this wellness program and holistic health. We are providing this facility in-house. Since we have an integrative medicine approach, we are integrating Ayush and allopathic treatment. The speciality here is which most of the common public they choose either Ayush treatment for getting pregnancy or they choose the allopathic treatment for getting pregnancy. If you want, I want pregnancy at any cost, I am ready to listen to the clinicians, to the treating doctor, and as per their recommendation based on my evaluation, based on my clinical problem, if they can give a better solution, we are there to give you the guidance. We can give you natural treatments for a few weeks or few months. If you are able to succeed naturally, the outcome is going to be very phenomenal. In case we have rectified all the underlying factors, still there is some mechanical problem which is hindering your pregnancy. And at that point of time, if we can recommend you to start your allopathic treatment like IUI or IVF, what's better than this? So ALM goes through a comprehensive approach for some infertility treatments for both men and women. So this is a unique way how we are guidelining and how we are guiding our couples and the male partners especially during the fertility treatments. So I hope this must have given a very positive, soothing words for the childless couples and the child-seeking couples. Some couples, they're having the first child, they're looking for a second child desperately, and they're compelled to go through treatments because of simple reasons like obesity, post first delivery, and stress in the men after they're getting into family commitments. These are the correctable risk factors which at ALM we are doing relentlessly and perfectly and with the proper guidance and with the couple's motivation and confidence. So this is the unique approach in ALM. Wish you good luck. Thank you.